Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invite employees to QuickBooks Workforce. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. On the left-hand side, navigate to the Workers menu. From there, select Employees to view your team. You will then find an option to invite employees to start the invitation process. This is the initial step to grant them access. Once you've initiated the invitation, you'll need to input some essential employee details. Carefully enter the employee's first and last name into the designated fields. It's crucial to provide their correct email address, as this is where the invitation will be sent. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy before proceeding to the next step. After entering the employee's details, click the Send Invitation button. An email containing a unique link will automatically be sent to the employee's provided address. This link allows them to access the QuickBooks Workforce portal. Upon clicking the link, they will be prompted to create their own secure QuickBooks Workforce account, which is a straightforward process. Once the employee receives the email, they simply accept the invitation to set up their account. They will create a secure Intuit account, which grants them access to QuickBooks Workforce. After setup, employees can conveniently view and print their pay stubs, W-2 forms, and other important payroll information online at any time. This streamlines payroll document access for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.